Hello guys! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin nyo na lang po yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo pwede kayo magpa-personal reading kay Jim Tarot Reader. I-search mo na siya sa Facebook. And meron din po siyang special, meron din po siyang YouTube channel. Feel free to check her out. Okay, so start na natin. Itong reading na ito ay para sa mga Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Okay, you do have your heart with the key. So, ito yung main energy mo. Clarify natin ito. What's with the heart with the key? Okay, clarified by the healthy choices and talking. Okay, so ito yung main energy mo ngayon. So, nakikita natin na with the heart with the key, maaaring ino-open mo yung sarili mo sa mga opportunities, mga new beginnings, and maaaring, this is you na maaaring, you want to make yourself, perfect. No? So, as much as possible, kung anong tingin mo makakapagpabuti, makakapagpaganda sa'yo, dun ka lang. No? You want to be happy. Ayan, nakakita tayo dito. You do have your talking, so I don't know, maybe, the person that you are dealing with, love reading kasi to guys, no? But if you want money reading, career reading, naka-indicate yun sa title. Pero yung almost daily natin is love kasi talaga. So itong nakikita natin sa main energy mo is pwedeng you do have a connection with your person. Ngayon, oo nga, may connection ka dito sa person na to. But with the healthy choices, this is you na pwedeng nag-focus ka naman din sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, okay, may connection, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na patay ka na dito sa taong to na talagang lahat ng time and whatsoever ibibigay mo sa kanya. Because the way I see this is that mas nakafocus ka ngayon sa sarili mo. Okay? You do have your not today. Either you or the other person na involved dito is, I don't know, kind of like being cold, or pwedeng may mga iniiwasan or umiiwas na makipag-connect, communicate, maybe because of third party or third person energy. So yung iba sa inyo yung person na connect mo or ikaw ay pwedeng may mga person na involved. And you do have here sunglasses. So or actually the other person nakikita natin na pwedeng nangi-stalk, or whether, I don't know, there's someone who is being jealous. So, pwedeng kung yung person mo ay may kakonect na iba, or maybe an ex, or what, nakikita natin yung pagsiselos or yung pagka-insecure nitong taong ito pagdating sa'yo. So, I feel like this person is stalking you right now. Ini-stalk ka ng person niya. Okay. So, kunin natin yung person na connect mo. Gagamitin natin yung deck na ito. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Person na connect mo. Yung person na connect mo, you do have your soulmate. So, you could be dealing with your soulmate. And, pwedeng may spiritual connection or attraction sa inyong dalawa. You do have your engagement ring and not enough. Gusto ng person na ito ng union, partnership with you. Pero sa ngayon may mga frustration or either kung wala siyang kakonect guys, pwedeng ito yung sarili niya na parang feeling niya hindi pa ako okay makipag-connect sa'yo ngayon kasi marami pang kulang sa sarili ko, or pwedeng itong person na ito kung may ka-connection iba, definitely isa ito sa nagiging dahilan, and yun nga, may pagseselos na nagaganap doon. Or if you could, some of you could be dealing with your twin flame. Wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, ayan, bottom of the deck is twin flame, soulmate is here. So, itong reading na to could be a soulmate or twin flame reading. The Grim Reaper is here. So, pwedeng itong person na to, may part pa rin sa kanya na iniisip niya na gusto niya munang i-transform yung buhay niya, or feeling niya hindi pa pwede, parang ganun. So, pwedeng pinanghihinaan ng loob itong person na to, and feeling niya na walang chance, yan, because of, lalo na kung may third person na involved, no? Parang feeling niya walang chance, pero gusto niya, gustong gusto niya. Okay. So, anyway, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the boat. Yan. And love is here. So, you definitely do love this person. Sabihin na natin mahal mo siya, pero naka-move on, pwedeng naka-move on ka na. Naka-move on sa sakit. Pero yung love, pwedeng na doon pa rin. And then with the coffin, pwedeng nag-focus ka na lang ngayon sa new beginnings, you know, unti-unti mo na lang binabago ngayon ang sarili mo, nag-focus ka na lang sa happiness, you do have your paradise. You know, you're just being playful. I feel like attracted ka dito sa person na to. But, you know, pwedeng, kung may connection kayo or communication, ganyan, pwedeng yung communication, naglalaro na lang siya sa, you know, yung parang, gusto mo lang masaya lang yung communication, diba? Ayaw mo nang madrama, etc. And, yun nga, lalo na ang focus mo is yung happiness mo. Okay? So, how about yung person mo? Ano yung emotions niya para sa'yo? You could be dealing with a runner, guys. Kung twin flame connection, this could be the runner. Ano emotion niya para sa'yo? So, emotion niya para sa'yo is the sunglasses. You do have here talking. The sword and rose. Okay. So, might be ang emotion nitong taong ito. Bottom of the deck is stab in the back. Nagkakasakitan sila ngayon. You're dealing with the person na, ito na-confirm na natin that there's another person involved. Wherein pwedeng may third party. The snake is here. Kaya lang nagkakasakitan sila ngayon. Kasi, pwedeng may communication sa inyo. Okay, so, yeah, high chance that this is a connection na may communication talaga. And then, this person, nagkakaroon na siya ngayon ng clarity kung ano ba talagang gusto niya, sino ba talagang gusto niya, ano ba talagang gusto niyang mangyari. And then, itong person na ito is, you know, lalo na yung person niya is feeling insecure, may pag-i-stalk na nagaganap. The other person is really watching you. Ayan, minamasdan ka, lahat ng bagay sa'yo napapansin nitong taong to. And, nakakita tayo ng a lot of insecurity doon. Tapos yung person mo, nakakaramdam siya ng feeling na parang ayoko na ng ganito, ayoko na to. Parang ganun. Ayoko na yung person na nakakonect ko. Kasi, alam mo yon, yung parang inaatake siya ng inaatake, yung parang lagi na lang siyang pinupuna or pinapansin. So, ayaw niya ng ganun. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have the sword and rose at the bottom of the deck. Tapos yung lumabas na card is passion, mirror, soulmate, and the Grim Reaper. Kukunin ko na rin yan sa side ng personal guys. In the near future, you do have your lightning, ascending, heartbroken, and abundance. Okay. So, the Phoenix is at the bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin yung in the future, I feel like there's something na i-end ka dito. And itong ending na ito ay something sa, kasi gusto mong i-transform or ayusin yung buhay mo. And this time around, mas nakafocus ka talaga sa growth. Actually, ginagawa mo na to ngayon eh. Kaya lang yung ending, pero pwedeng hindi pa siya ganun na nangyayari. So, in the future, I can see an ending here. Focusing on yourself. Actually, if you are the one na gumagawa ng actions, the chaser is here, this is you na gumagawa ng action, pwedeng ikaw yung nakikipag-connect, communicate sa person na ito. Nag-work siya eh. You do have your lightning. So, pwedeng nababago or natutulungan mo na magkaroon ng pagbabago sa isip din itong person na to with regard sa kanyang person. And nakakita tayo ng pag-uusap sa inyo, girl talk, especially if you're dealing with a twin flame and you are dealing with the runner. Ayan, kasi ang focus mo na lang maging masaya eh. And maaaring ang focus mo naman dito, hindi naman para sirain ang buhay ng taong to or what. You just want to be happy. You just want friends, you know. You just want, it's part of you, gusto mo ng chance. Pero, more on, gusto mo lang maging masaya. Wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, etong person na to with the lightning, ayan, dahil sa mga ginagawa mo, effective nga yun eh. Kasi nakikita natin na mas lalo niya piniprepare yung sarili niya to meet you. Yan, you know, gusto niya ng union. But, ngayon, I can see a union na pwede may kinalaman sa pera. Abundance is here. So, I can see a union between the two of you. Tapos may pera na involved. There's heartbroken here. So, clarify natin why is the heart broken in the near future. Passion is here and the runner. Ayun. So, nakikita natin. So, I feel like may part sa person mo na nalalaban pa rin or pwedeng hindi pa rin completely nagiging honest with you, with his or her emotions. So, ito yung nagiging dahilan para siya ay masaktan. So, ang tendency dito, dahil ikaw mas nagiging open ka sa kanya, so nire-release mo yung pain, at saka mas masakit kasi pag may tinatago or may sinisikreto tayo sa sarili natin, tapos meron tayong mga what if, so ikaw maaaring tinatanggal mo yon, inaalis mo yon, so parang wala ka nang pakialam kung anong iisipin niya or ng iba. It's just that you just want peacefulness, you want to be happy. So nakikita natin pwedeng ino-open mo lang yun sa kanya, pero siya medyo, although nagkakaroon ng communication sa inyo, hindi siya nagiging honest with the healing heart and the mask. So, marami siyang itinatago. So, ang tendency niyan, ang sinasaktan niya lang din ay ang sarili niya. Okay? But I can see communication sa inyong dalawa. Pero more on pagiging torpe, pagpipigil, pagtitiis. So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.